what you will learn today. So here's my first example. I have two CC groups, so color correction groups, and we will start with the first one. The first thing I did is just adding a little contrast. So I pushed this point, added the point, just click on this curve and push this a little bit up. Then I add a color balance. I think that's a very underrated adjustment layer. I push the cyan and magenta tones and a little bit the blue tones. So I like this CC adjustment very much. And a color lookup adjustment layer. I choose the second preset, before, after, but you can also load custom LUTs. I have a LUT folder with some LUTs, and if you want some free ones, you can just go on YouTube, search for free LUTs and download them. Then I make from all my designs, from all my layers, one layer, and make the CC. First of all, I convert it into a smart object, so I work non-destructively, so I can change it. You can double click here and edit the content again. I just made in every section some settings. I take the slider, I don't look at the number, I just take a look on my design and look what looks for me good. And then I save my preset, just click here, save new preset, and give it a name. Then I turn the mode into U, so normal, and then U. I duplicated it and turned it back into normal and reduced the opacity to 58%. Before, after, before, after. Here is my second example. This is the design before I added the CC, and this is after the CC. The CC is split into two parts again. First of all, we have my color balance. We have the curve adjustment layer. I just lighted it up a little bit, before, after, and a color lookup. This is the preset one again. It's crisp winter. Then I made one layer from my wool design and added the camera raw CC. Again, I can edit it because I make it into a smart object. And this is my preset again. This would be my third, two, and this is a preset. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If we hit 50 likes, I will release my custom camera raw CC, so make sure to like my video, and goodbye, see you.